guys, welcome to week 3 of college algebra. So this week we have our first test of this class. So under the announcements, I've posted the virtual tutoring center schedule that you guys can take a look. So if you click on this, it'll show all the tutoring schedules with the tutors' availabilities, and you guys can utilize this, especially this week because as you prepare for the first exam. Okay, so if we go to the weekly modules, and this is week 3, which is test number 1. And here we have, under learning resources, I've posted test number 1's review and the review solutions. So make sure you guys try the review problems first and go over the answers, clicking on the review solutions. And afterwards, you guys can go ahead and two things, as usual. We have the discussion board, which you are required to answer. This is just for the attendance policy. And for this, you guys can just give me just short answers. What is the last math course you have completed, either in college or in high school, prior to this semester? And also, just for this is for my use, how many hours did you spend on completing homework number 2? So please complete this post by Sunday of January 31st by midnight, and you have the test. So I have all of the important rules written out. So basically, you have to complete the test review before attempting the test, because if you open up and start the test, the time clock will begin, and you exactly have 70 minutes to complete the test. It has 15 questions, and after 70 minutes, the test will save and close out automatically. So again, once you open the test, you have to complete it in one sitting. You can't leave the test and come back to a later time. And you can use your physical or online graphing calculator for this test, and this test will actually disappear after this time limit. So you have to take it before its due date. Okay, so that's it. And if you encounter any technical difficulties or anything about it when you're attempting the test, you have to reach out to me immediately.